This part work has been supplied to me free of charge from Fanhome.com. Please pop along to their website and see all of the other build-up part works that they have to offer, as well as other collections of collectible things. I would like to thank Fanhome for providing me with the part work so I can produce these videos for your enjoyment and educational needs. If you'd like to build one of your own, pop along to fanhome.com. They're available in many countries worldwide. If you do want to build one, leave a note in the comments to let me know how you're getting on, and let me know how I'm getting on as well. I'd like feedback of all types. So thank you once more to Fanhome for providing me with this kit. I hope you enjoy the build. Let's get on with it. Hello, I'm Chris. This is Gross Models. Welcome to issue 80 of building Eleanor from Gone in 60 Seconds. In this issue, we're getting the engine bits together. The parts that we've built up previously, you may notice the radiator and fan assembly. Rattly noise, don't know. All together. Yes, so we've got the other parts that we had last time, and now we've got some more bits that are all going to be assembled together. First up, we are putting this bracket onto this. That just snaps in place on there. Nice, that was easy. So that's it for that. Then we've got this, which needs to go onto this part that we've got today. That goes there, that goes that way round. Go on there. Right, yeah, the little brackets and the little clip pieces. That goes on there like that. That'll do it. Good. Then this other piece goes onto the other end. That way round. Like that. Right, no, we went the wrong way around. That bit onto into that slot there. Like that. Good. Then the other half comes into play. That does exactly the same. The other half on the other side. Get it the right way up. Both sides will slip in. That side will slip in. That lined up properly. There you go. Just like that. Then we need the DSO2 screws that they've supplied this time. 4 of those to hold that together. And then I need another bit that I haven't got yet. The other engine assembly, which I have stored away because it was ages ago that we did that. That goes on the top. So let me get these 4 screws in on there and dig out the other bit. Right, there we go. That's all screwed in nice and tight. And I have found the other bit. I remember doing this way back when. I don't know which issue was that. It would tell me because it would say get the part from 03. Pretty from the 3rd issue. It might well have been. So this goes on the top there. It'll only go one way around because they're not equidistant. So that has to go in there that way up. Well, that will hold in place with screws, but not quite yet. In there quite nicely, like that. Nice. And then we finally put these bits in. They just push in place. Oh, they've got little crimped pieces that just snap in. Like that, on both sides. That's the screw holes. We've got big holes there that hoses or something going to go in. Know nothing about cars, engines, or anything like that. Go in there. I just have to push it harder. That bit's moved now as well. That bit goes in quite easily and wobbles around a little bit. This one goes in less easily. Yeah, I'm going to have to file those down just a little bit to make them a better fit. After making sure that they are the right way around. They are the right way around. It is going in there, but yeah, I'll just have to reshape that a little bit so it does. What I will do will be, against the sunshine, use my little file, take the edge of those clips a little bit. These are all plastic bits, so there's not any real effort involved in sanding it down or filing it down a little bit. And if need be, I can always glue it in place as well, but I didn't take off very much, and it was very, very tight. Yeah, I'm going to take that off a bit more. Right, let me do that and come back and show you how it all goes together. Right, there we go. I was connecting them to the wrong holes. They don't go in the little ones. They go in the big ones, and they fit much better. I have glued them in place, though, because I did file down the other side, and it doesn't. It now fits very loosely. But both of them go in there nicely. There's obviously going to be tubes attaching to the other 4 holes there. I should have realised that, but there we go. So yeah, there we go. That's in there. That's not attached yet, but I think next time we're going to be doing that. So we've got some bits ready, all looking good. I will continue with this very, very soon. So thank you for watching. Do let me know what you think, and I'll see you for more in a couple of days. Bye bye for now.